Final score to cap it off goes to Harris. And he's loses man with the fake. Harris down the middle, just took off. Wojciech through band, 17 points personal. Harris said he hasn't made a field goal. He has now. Harris with a lovely fake and drive. Lovely fake from Harris.
As Royce Bamberg trying to get back in this game. That's a really tough move.
Strong drive to the basket from Harris, and he gets the and one play.
Lindy, back to Rice, inside, Harris, good footwork, goes up and scores.
And Harris this time does make the layup.